What is an idiom? It's a group of words whose meaning is different from the meaning of every single word. For example, a piece of cake doesn't literally mean a sweet. Instead, it means easy. How interesting. Why idioms? The fact that you know 3,000 English words doesn't mean you can understand every single idiom. That's to say, knowing single words will not help you interpret the meaning of the entire phrase. What you can do is put serious effort into it. What's more, if you master English idioms, you will sound like a native speaker. Idiomatic expressions which make conversations sound more natural are commonly used by native speakers every day. In this lesson series, we will introduce you to 102 common English idioms. Each is written with an idiom definition, 3 idiom examples, and audio recordings. That way you will know what the idiom means and how to use it in a conversation.